Water chiller out. Connect tube out. Water chiller in, connect tube in. Laser in, connect tube in. Laser source out. Connect tube out. Here water chiller, add water. From here need, add pure water. From here need, add pure water or distilled water. Turn on water chiller. When the temperature up to 28 degrees, that's okay. Here laser source 28. Turn on emergency. Computer turn on. Turn on software. Manual. Click X. 1 debug mode. Keep 10 seconds. E. Here will appear X1 plus and X1. Then we can move dust collector. E. Click this. It will disappear. Then we can move axis. Move X. Move Y. Jog mode. Here set, step, move size. Every time move 10 nanometer. Draw a circle. Change the size. 200. Center. Draw another circle. Change the size. Center. Select these to circle and combine. Fill. Click ring frost. Check parameters. Turn on laser source and scan head. Simulation. If simulation is black color, that's okay. E. If simulation have red color, it cannot working. Mode. Get axis limit okay. Turn on red light. Check marking location. Stop red light. Send file. Absolute origin. Z1 is for sandblasting. Click mark. Z1 is for sandblasting. Z2 is for mirror transparent. Z3 is for drilling.